Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Cleaning the shower is quite painful and I use it to bath Freddie in, so that is the red bucket situation that I usually use to clean it with, just like splashing water around. But I went to Bunnings to get like a little rubber hose attachment that you can put onto the tap there, but it was $13 and this little handheld shower connector set, it was $30, so I thought for the difference in price, may as well just go with this. I can quickly switch it out. I've switched these out before in rental properties. So we're just going to install that. And initially I'm going to install it up there where you normally would put it. And then I think, I don't know, either there or should I just put it straight away down there? I might just put it straight away down there, actually. Anyway, we'll see how we go.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
Choose your weapons. You can have something this size compared to something this size. I'm going to go with this size because it's going to cut down the cleaning time. What's that, like 10 times? So I'm going with this. They didn't have any of the poles. You can buy poles to attach to it, but I figure even just using this like handheld, it's going to be heaps quicker than this baby. It just attaches with like little plastic grippies. It's not Velcro or anything, it's just like little plastic kind of teeth that go straight into the scouring pad and hold it in place. Honestly, you could use this to clean the bathroom floors even. It would give them a really nice scrub.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
So much easier. It's almost fun. I've got to say. And now
we can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
oh, this has honestly cut down cleaning the bathroom by about 10 times. This is what it looks like close up. And they didn't have any handles in stock that match it, but I just used my existing handle and it just twists on and kind of grips. And I've just got it down on the lowest because I've got a telescopic handle, so it actually is much easier to use it with a smaller thing. And then it just, not Velcro, it's just tiny little plastic teethy peggy things that grip onto it. And then you can buy replacements separately. So brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I could not recommend this enough. Why has it taken me so long to find something like that? And then when I'm inside the shower, cleaning the inside of the glass, I just prop it open with this, with something at the bottom so that you can just, inside brushing it, the door would be swinging open. So just pop something in to prop it and then you can put pressure on the inside without any issue.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Completely optional. I don't do this every time I clean the shower, but if you want it really, really sparkly and clean with no streak marks or anything, you're gonna have to go in with this.
We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
Excuse me, Freddie, where are you when the shower is to be cleaned? The shower needs cleaning and you are nowhere to be seen. Excuse me, did the tummy rubs? Did the tummy rubs? Can you stop flashing like that, mister? Stop doing a flash. The belly rubs, the little puppy dog. Come on, you can at least help clean the other one.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.
Sorry, Mum, you're on your own today. Come on, little one. Come on. Little puppy dog. Little Freddy Bear. Everybody wants to see you. Everybody wants to see you in the video. And say hi. Say hi.
We can spend all day.
Come on, little one. Come on. Let's go downstairs, Mum. We'll get you a treat. Guys, that is it for today's video. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the videos if you've missed any days in the description below. Have a fab day, and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge.